Okay, so parahin to na kung ay nakatong discuss with our markup and mark. So now is the markdown. Okay, so sometimes to be able to stand against the competitors in the market, seller tends to lower the prices of their goods. Like for example, you decided to lower the price of your cookie from 10 pesos. That would be the original price, I mean, then to 8 pesos, which is the selling price. So the reduction will be 2 pesos in the selling price is called the markdown. However, imposing markdown may result to zero profit. Okay? So what is a markdown? A markdown is maybe either be a temporarily or permanently. So if we say a temporary markdown, would be a reduction in the selling price of an item to encourage the consumer to increase their demand on a particular product. On the other hand, the permanent markdown is implemented by the companies or to remove for sale product from their inventory. In general, the purpose of markdown is either to generate sales or to clear inventory. Okay? So in order to compute for the markdown and markdown rate, so we are going to use the following formula. Okay, markdown is that's the original price subtracted to the selling price. Okay? So to get the markdown rate, you subtract lang the markdown and the original price. Okay? Balik ha, the difference sa markdown and sa markdown rate. If we see the word rate, answer nyo anak class is in naka-percentage form or in naka-percent form. Okay? So, pag if we see markdown rate, we will divide the markdown divided by the original price. Okay, para mas masabtan, sa atong natay examples diri. Study of the following examples. Mr. Dap was able to buy a cell phone at 11,500, which was originally sold at a price of 13,700. How much was the markdown of the cell phones? Compute the markdown rate. Okay, so this will be originally sold price or that's original price which is 13,700 and gipalit niya or yung selling price will be 11,500. Okay? Subtract original minus selling price. So that would be ipag-subtract na to that would be 2,200. So that's the markdown of the cell phone is 2,200 pesos. Okay. How about the markdown based on markdown rate? Again, you divide lang sa markdown over the original price. 2,200 which is our MD or atong nakuha diri sa class divided by the original price which is 13,700. Okay. So ang answer niya class is 0.1606. Divide lang na siya. After you divide that one, you multiply by 100%. Okay? So that would be 16,006. That's our markdown rate. Okay? Therefore, the markdown rate of the price of the cell phone is 16.6%. Another example. Carol wanted all perfume products be sold out and decided to lower her price to a 15% markdown from the original price of 220 pesos. How much is her markdown and also what will be her selling price? Okay? Because you need to understand or you need to analyze the problem kung sa mga given or sa panghatag ni problem. Na-deserve mo mag-decide. So what will be given and what will be the formula will be used. Okay? So price markdown. So 15% from the original price is so si markdown o si original price ang atong given. Markdown. Okay, markdown rate na siya ka sa markdown rate. Kapag MD lang, anang dili siya sa ubos, markdown. Pero M sub D, that's markdown rate. Okay? So markdown rate is equal to 15%. So bato na siyang i-turn into decimal, that would be 0.15. That's original price or OP is equal to 2220. Since MD is equal to MD over OP, so we have, so again siya, multiply ra po na siya class. Ano nakukuha, tag-ina na nga formula. Okay? So, yan isa, ay, that would be MD. MD is equal to, ay no, no, sorry, sorry. M sub D, ana. So, giunsa siya class para makahimo ta og inani ka formula. Sige kani. So, i-multiply ra na i-class sila. Multiply ra na nimo. So, mo na siyang MD times OP is equal to, same man na sila class. Same man na sila. Okay? Okay. Therefore, so our markdown rate is 15% kani or 0.15 and times 220 which is the original price and that would be 33 pesos. So the markdown amount of the perfume since or I mean a product will be 33 pesos. Since our markdown is equal to the original price minus the selling price, so we have, so there, kaning, di ba, ang ikaduha ka pangutan na class is what will be our selling price. So, ina ni siya, selling price equal to original price minus markdown. So, our original price is 220, this one. And minus our markdown, which is the 33 pesos. So, on yun ay subtract, that would be 187 pesos. Therefore, the selling price of the perfume now will be 187 pesos. Okay? Okay, so we're done with the markup, mark down, and mark on. Okay? Thank you, and God bless everyone.